I would like to welcome you to the Salcedo Group of Companies.
Welcome to SGC.
Welcome. I'll have a photo.
Ma'am, smile naman po dyan. One more.
Tasha, hindi ba natin pwede ayusin to, ha? I still love you. I still want to marry you.
Well, I have news for you, my ex-fiancé. I don't love you anymore, and I'd rather kill myself than marry you.
Tignan nila, pakahirap pa kayong hanapin siya, kumampi na pala sa kalaban.
Sigurado po ko isa lang yan sa mga tactic ni Inigo para babagsakin ang legacy.
Diana is an Alcantara. I want her back.
Diana, kanina pa kita hinihintay.
Pero ano bang kailangan mo sa akin?
Diana, just get in the car. Marami akong sasabihin sa'yo, please.
Mukhang may ibang agenda ang bagong recruit mo. So, wanna keep her here?
Oh, definitely. She's big.
Hindi ka ba natatakot that you're the one being played here?
I can make her forget about her bloodline, Chloe.
Galit na galit po siya sa nangyari doon, Romualdo. Una, dahil pinagbintangan natin siya. Pangalawa, hindi man lang daw natin siya binigyan ng pagkakataon para ipagtanggol yung sarili niya. Tapos pinalayas pa po siya. Sobrang nasaktan po siya sa nangyari.
She doesn't deserve the punishment that I gave her. Kasalanan lahat ito na naman. Sa ginawa mong pangukuda, para ka na rin nakipagsugal kay Satanas. Let's play a little game. 1 bullet, 5 empty cylinders. If you're lucky, you live. If not, you die.